Hi, now I'm going to show you how to do two-way lookup in Excel. Okay, let's go to Excel. Okay, you all know how to do one-way lookups, which is vertical lookup. If you want to look up for any of the names within this, or horizontal lookup, any of the names within this. Okay, but now I have a set of matrix of values here. I want to look up any of the value within this matrix. For example, you can do ordinary lookup here. For example, you want to look up value in Robert. How do you do that? In vertical lookup, you can do, okay, I look for Robert. Okay, then how do you do the vertical lookup? You can do Robert here, and you want to use a midterm test. For example, you want to return the mark 40. Okay, how do you do that? You will go for vertical lookup, VLOOKUP. What is the lookup value? I want to know Robert in what array? In this array. Okay, and what is the column index number? You want to return the number 1 or number 2 column. For example, midterm test column. I cannot return from revision exam or any of this one. I just return only one, knowing, okay, I want to return revision exam, then I must know revision exam is column number 1, 2, 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3. So I want to know the revision exam marks about Robert, number 3 column, and I need a exact match. So what I need to do is I need to return false. What happens? Just for a minute. G1. Oh, I'm sorry, this is supposed to be the full matrix. Okay, then 3 is the index, that is the revision exam 1, and false is the exact match. Then you know 69, which is Robert's revision exam marks. But in this case, vertical lookup, you need to know which of the column you are going to look out. This is the number 1 column, number 2 column, number 3 column. So you need to put 3. So this is the vertical lookup, but it is only one-sided lookup because you already hard code here what is the column you are going to look up. But now, for example, it is not hard coded. Instead, you want to look up revision exam. So you want to know where the revision exam falls in horizontal. Okay, how to do that? We will do this way. Come. Okay, let's do it now. All I need is Robert. Now I am not fixing it revision exam. I am going to find out what is the position in revision exam in this matrix. Okay, revision. So this is the two-way lookup. Okay, Robert. So first I am going to see what is the index in this vertical values in this matrix. What is this vertical what is the vertical position in this array for Robert. So just put match what I am going to look lookup value is Robert. Lookup array is this array, only the vertical names. Lookup array. Match type, what I am going to match is I need a exact match. Okay, this is the position I got for vertical position of Robert. Okay, now it is the revision exam. So in this horizontal way, I'm going to pick the position of the column position of revision exam. Okay, how to do that? Again, match. Lookup value is revision exam, which is H4. Lookup array is which array I'm going to see. It is a horizontal array, and I need the exact match. What is the position? Number 2. Exactly in this array, revision exam appears in 2. Now what I am going to do is, using this 2 position, I am going to pick 2 of vertical and 2 of horizontal, or in other words, second row, second column of this matrix, which is nothing but, I will pick it here. I use index of array. What is the array? A full array. What is the row number? Row number is 2. What is the column number? Column number is this number. This is 69. This is the Robert revision exam values. For example, I change this one to annual exam 76. Robert's annual exam. Instead of Robert's annual exam, I'll make it John's annual exam. You can see 45. So this is the way you can move on within a matrix using the vertical values and horizontal values. So for that, what we are doing here is using match function and index function. I hope this video helps you to find the two-way lookup. Have a good day. Thank you.